This is what I use to trade moving averages. One above, one below. Once this one is above, it tells me that the market is bullish. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to expect price to drop to the moving average, look for an entry, then buy. Then I'll wait again, wait for price to come below my moving average, look for an entry below, and then buy. Then I'll further wait for price to come below my moving average, look for an entry, and then I'll buy. Then I'll repeat the same process here, wait for price to drop before my moving average, then I'll look for a buy. And I'll just keep doing that. Price drops below my moving average, I'll have to look for an entry, then I'll buy. Drop below moving average, look for an entry, and then buy. So obviously, as I'm buying, it means everyone who's looking to sell at the resistance is losing, right? Everyone's looking to sell at the supply or resistance is losing. What am I doing? Just waiting for price to drop below my moving average, then I look to buy. I wait for price to drop below, then I look to buy. Wait for price to drop below, then I look to buy. I wait for price to drop below, then I look to buy. Sometimes I will get a situation where price drops deeper. So that would have been a loss from trying to buy here, but I'll further look for a buy below, and then I'll buy. I'll look for a buy below, then I'll buy. So price is here right now. It's NASDAQ. Today is the 1st of May. What am I going to look for? I'm going to look for price to drop, and then I'm going to buy. And that is how I simply trade. Oh, okay. Perhaps it just works on 1 hour. Okay. And let's maybe take it back actually. Here I am on a 1 hour time frame, not what is it, daily time frame. So we're gonna go all the way back as far as this chart can allow us. So we are now in 2016, right? So let's go back to what is this? 2013. So let's just touch in 2013. What did I say? Price will drop below. I look to buy, then I buy. Let me zoom in so that you can see it properly. What do I look for? For price to drop below, then I buy. If I was looking to sell, I'll look for price to go above, then I'll look to sell, right? If I'm looking to buy, drop, buy, drop, buy, drop, buy. All I do is I look for price to drop below my moving average, then I buy. Drop below my moving average, look for an entry, buy, drop below, buy, drop below, buy. We are now in 2014, right? So you see, it's been working 2014. Drop below, buy, drop below, look for buys, drop below, buy, drop below, buy, drop below, buy. So you might find I had an entry here, but it lost, then I got another one there. But that is, you get what I'm saying, right? So look for buy below, buy below, buy below, buy below. So I'm not talking about entries. I'm just showing you how the market moves, right? I'm not talking about entries for now, just showing you that this is what I use, moving averages, nothing complicated, nothing funny, not rocket science. I just look for price to drop below, then I look to buy. Price drop below, I look to buy. Price drops below, I look to buy. When they switch like this, it means the loss. So I'll look to sell above, and then price should drop, right? Then I'll look for price to come below, then I'll look for buys, below buy. If we change direction, then I look to sell, then, but obviously because NASDAQ is always going up, in this case, you can see most of the losses are losing, right? But look at how easy it is to then make money. You simply just look for price to drop below, then you buy. So you can see I'm also marking where it lost, right? But at the end of the day, you can see it wins most of the time. So you just look for price to drop below, then you buy, drop below, buy, drop below, buy, drop below, you buy, you see price drop below, you buy, drop below, buy. As long as this moving average is above this one, all I'm interested in is to just buy as price comes below. So depending on your stop loss, things like this can take you out, or you can hold. One thing for sure, someone will be looking to sell here at the supply or resistance, and they're gonna lose. Simple. Simple, 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 simple. I know you are taught to look for sells there, and I'm showing you another perspective today. There is, there is, there is, there is, there is, there is. So we can see the same patterns time and again. Price just drops, we look to buy. Price drops, look to buy. Price drops, you look to buy. Price drops, you look to buy. You see that? The price drops, you look to buy, you lose, then you look to sell. Look to sell, you look to sell, then you look to sell again, you lose. So you now start to look to buy. Price drops, you look to buy. Price drops, you look to buy. Price drops, you look to buy. I mean, for people who are swinging, it's even easier. You just buy anywhere. Price can then first go into a drawdown, but one thing for sure, price will turn and go up, right? There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. And then I think now we are in 2020. This was COVID, gave us a big drop. But before that, you can see just drop, buy, drop, buy, drop, buy. COVID gave us this big, so could have lost here and could have lost there. But from then, look at what happened from 2020 is just drop below buy, 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 drop below buy. Wow. So easy, right? So easy, so easy, so easy. This is how I trade. This is how we trade in Euphoria FX. Drop below buy, drop below buy, drop below buy, drop below buy. Or look to sell when things are now looking bearish. So what you do, you see that, okay, things are now bearish. You look, it goes above, you sell, goes above, you sell, goes above, you sell, goes above, you sell. You see that? So it goes above, you look to sell. This we discuss it later, but we know how to handle that case. But that's what it is. The market does do this sometimes. We call it a double switch, where the market goes up, but it also then tends to go bearish. Then we just continue looking to sell, and then when the switches, just look to buy. Right now we're at 2023. Look at this. Just look at this from 2023. Yes, if price to go below, then you look for buys. Go below, you look for buys. So yes, a double switch again here. You can see the double switch is sort of price turns bearish, then goes bullish, and then you just start making money all over again. There you can see, look, go below buy. You can see, right? All the way, all the way. And then this was last year where things then went bearish, got a sell there, and then got a loss when we wanted to sell, and then things turned bullish again. Just drop below buy, drop below buy, drop below buy. So what do you expect to see from Nasdaq next? Drop below and then buy. And ladies and gentlemen, that is literally how we trade in Euphoria FX. Look, you can drop it to 1 minute. Nothing special. We're just going to be following the same thing. Drop below buy, drop below buy, drop below buy. Even on 1 minute, you see that. That's literally how we trade. You drop below, you buy, drop below, you buy, drop. So that's the double switch there. We know how to handle those cases as well. We have that covered, but just drop below, buy, drop below, buy, drop below, buy. As you can see, it's the same thing happening on 1 minute as well. You see that? You see there's the same thing happening on 1 minute. So there's the double switch again here. Rather than that, you can see it's drop below buy, drop below buy. I can go to any time frame, and what you're gonna see, it's literally the market moves like that, right? Literally the market moves like that. And if it's not moving like that, it means the market is moving sideways. And when the market is moving sideways, we also know how to handle it, because we will see it. The market will keep doing, switching to the downside, then to the upside, to the downside, then to the upside, then to the downside, then to the upside. So we understand what to do when the market starts doing that. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, the market just keeps on going above. You look for sales, going above, 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 you look for sales. And then you lose, you get some losses along the way. And then once it turns bullish, goes below, you look for buys, still goes below, you look for buys, goes below, you look for buys, and then that's literally how we approach it. Yeah. Cheers.